On August 14, 2025, Orlando police responded to battery and criminal mischief at the airport. This case examines when emotional distress crosses into criminal liability.
Particular manager broke 2 monitors, got denied boarding for her behavior.
Is she in school?
Now, she was on a flight that had it took off, had a maintenance problem, had the air return. So as she was boarding the second flight, she got upset, and then it went from there.
194, what's 1012 with the subject?
Hi.
What?
What happened?
What happened is that I had a breakdown because this air.
Go ahead. Just keep talking.
Oh, okay. I've been waiting for this flight after 45 minutes. That one was here in the road after all the time that we need to wait, right? I was.
Get off the phone and tell us what happened. Tell us what happened, forget about it.
It's my mom. It's my mom.
Okay, so get off
Mira, madre.
How old are you?
She's 75.
How old are you?
I'm 46.
Okay, you can talk without your mom. So what happened?
So this is what happened. I get into a breakdown because I was talking with my mom at the hallway in a louder voice. So one of the guys come to me and is screaming at me that the people don't need to hear my conversation, which is I'm agree, all right? But right now I'm really frustrated. I am in medications just because my brother is dying. He's gonna be disconnected. I need to be there because he's gonna be disconnected tomorrow. It's not my problem.
So
it's not my fault.
So what else happened?
What else happened? That I get angry and I hit all the computers and everything because I told them, okay, I can. You kick me out of the flight. Okay, that's perfect. But I'll give me my money to buy another ticket in another flight, right? Because it's not my mistake that after 45 minutes, the Southwest be on the air, go back to MCO because one of the tires is damaged.
So what else after you hit the monitors? Then what happened?
Nothing happens. I calling you. Nothing happens. I'm being here.
Okay. Did you break a monitor?
Yes, I think because I hit them with my phone. Right here. Mira.
You hit who with the phone?
I hit the monitors with my phone. I hit the whole monitors.
Hey, how's it going?
Excellent footage of him for kicking him and punching him.
There you go. Cool. Can I see that?
I also have it right here too.
Yeah. Ooh, that's assault.
3 weeks. 3 weeks for my money, right? 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 3 weeks. 2 flights wasted. 2 flights wasted. 2 flights, 3 planes. After 45 minutes.
Hey, is it a joke?
Call the police.
So you want to press charges?
Oh, you got 2 views of it, so. Do you want
You know how to work Axon?
Yes. I just talked to my station manager Raphael, and yes.
Okay, can you want you're gonna write a statement for me? Yeah. Okay, and apparently she broke a
Right over here. The monitor's ripped out of the wall.
okay.
And then she hit me on the wrist with her phone and kicked me.
Okay. How much is this gonna cost?
I have no idea.
Estimate?
Each monitor is probably $500. So I would say 1,000. People too, so that's probably 200. So.
Cool. Yeah. Hooker. Manager wants to press charges. Who's primary on this?
I want to press charge.
Okay, we'll settle that out. What happened? You won?
I want to press charge too.
Okay,
I don't
okay,
know
we'll
who's
get you a right of statement,
Stop
okay?
moving.
Stop moving, just stay still.
She's too close. She's
Why am I am
Stop. Don't do that. Because you broke that don't do that. Don't
yeah,
do that.
and they broke my heart. And
Okay.
they broke my flight. It's not a crime. It's not a crime, Dad? No, that is not a crime, right?
so small that it is.
That is
Yeah.
not a crime. To mess up with people's lives,
Yeah,
that
okay.
is not a crime.
All right, no problem.
That is not a crime.
You got ID? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Just release me.
Stop moving.
I will not stop moving.
Okay, I need you to stop
I
moving.
have my
All right,
I have
come on.
my medication.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
Walk with me.
Yeah.
Come on.
I hope you do that.
No, I just don't want you moving.
No, I just want that you do that
I want you to
your
move.
family members when they die. When
no.
they are dying. I have a good liar.
Come on.
Don't worry.
Come on, don't stop walking.
Okay. So what is the pace that I need to walk?
Right here. Stop for 1 second. Stop.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Okay,
I'm walking
but
around
what
with
do you want me to
I
do?
want you to stand still. Yeah, I got a car down there. I'm just trying to remember where I'm going. Ah, there it is. I'm right down there. We can get the
I
paperwork
hope
down
you
there.
are proud.
I'm not proud.
Yeah, you are really proud.
I'm not proud at all.
If you-
Stop
if you-
squirming your arms.
Yeah, but
Stop
why you
squirming.
are squeezing me?
Stop
You
squirming your
are
arms. Just
squeezing,
keep
you
on
are
walking.
hurting me.
Come on.
But you are hurting me. You're hurting me, man. I am not resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're squirming
Oh.
your arms and you're trying to
Oh.
get out of these handcuffs.
Oh, 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 oh. Okay, my lawyer is gonna see all the bruises.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there an elevator over here
Yeah, all the bruises.
You got an elevator?
All the bruises.
to get downstairs?
All the bruises.
Hold it.
I got her. Is there an elevator down here? All right. Come on, walk. Walk.
Oye, pero ya déjale. No me tienes que apretar, mano. ¿Sabes cuál es el problema? Yo puedo caminar. Déjame caminar bien. Let me walk. Why you are still doing
You're
force on
pushing
me?
up against back.
I am not resisting.
Okay.
I am not resisting.
All the
I'm
way
just
to the
trying to
back.
tell you that it's hurt.
All the way to
See
the
my
back.
hands already. I'm hurt. Yeah. I hope that you
Stop.
that
Moving
you're gonna
around.
take pictures of the bruises that you are creating on me. Because in any moment I'm being resisting. And I'm doing anything wrong. Just waiting.
Yo.
So I'll come get her. Rush on, bring it.
Yeah. How do we get out of here?
Like the door to remain closed. The stepping in. Open it.
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
You stop
You
pulling
are
me.
pulling me.
Let's go.
You are pulling me. Abuser. You are an abuser. All of you are an abuser. Just abusers.
Stop.
Oh,
You understand? Stop pulling me. You're done pulling me. You understand me?
you are.
Walk
angry.
slowly. You pull me again, you're going to the ground.
Yeah, I know that what you want that I used to.
Against the car. Against the car. Walk to the car. Spread your feet. All good. It's not hard. You start pulling me around, we're gonna have problems. One second. One second.
Under Florida Statute 784.03, battery requires only intentional touching against another's will. The subject's phone strike to an employee's wrist satisfies this element. Florida Statute 806.13 makes property damage over $1,000 a third-degree felony. 2 monitors at $1,500 each clearly exceed this threshold. The critical question, does emotional distress provide a defense? Florida law requires temporary insanity, the inability to distinguish right from wrong. The subject's attempts to justify her actions prove she understood they were wrong. Grief and frustration, however legitimate, do not meet this standard. Probable cause existed from witness statements, video evidence, and admissions. The Fourth Amendment standard for lawful arrest was clearly satisfied. During arrest, pulling away and refusing to walk constitutes resisting under Florida Statute 843.02, even without violence toward officers. Graham v. Connor requires force to be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective. Arm control without strikes or takedowns meets this standard. The 1-year trespass warning under Florida Statute 810.08 is legally authorized. Personal emergencies do not exempt individuals from consequences.
Get in. Scoot over. Right there. You got any information on her?
That's our mind. Our mind's got everything.
Salamit. All right. The airport. Are you listening to me? They're trespassing you from this airport. You cannot come back here for 1 year. Okay? If you come back, you are subject to arrest. You understand?
How am I gonna get to Puerto Rico to bury my brother?
You would have to take another airport.
Airport.
Miami, Tampa, Jacksonville.
How am I gonna get there?
I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You have to figure it out. But if you come back here, you will be arrested if they want to press charges. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Officers receive B+, professional demeanor, appropriate force, proper documentation, deductions for unclear warnings before handcuffing. The subject receives D-, battery, property destruction, resistance, and failure to accept responsibility demonstrate catastrophic judgment failure. Southwest Airlines receives B, appropriate law enforcement involvement, clear reporting, and professional cooperation throughout. Key lessons. First, emotional distress is not legal justification. Seek help through supervisors, customer service, or legal counsel. Second, resistance only adds charges. Comply during arrest, then challenge legality in court with an attorney. Third, spontaneous admissions before Miranda can be used against you. Exercise your right to remain silent and request counsel. Fourth, video evidence is decisive. Airport cameras created an objective record that eliminated all credibility disputes. For officers, clearer verbal warnings before physical intervention and explicit documentation of resistance strengthen legal defensibility. Likely outcome: plea agreement with probation, counseling, and restitution. First offenders rarely face incarceration on these charges. The felony charge creates serious consequences. Defense will negotiate reduction to misdemeanor. Mental health evaluation may support diversion programs. This case illustrates a fundamental principle. The law distinguishes between understanding emotional pain and excusing criminal actions. The subject now faces years of consequences from 60 seconds of poor decisions. This is the true cost of emotion overriding judgment. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Should emotional distress mitigate liability? Did officers handle this appropriately? Thank you for watching. Check out our second channel, Street Law, for more police interaction and courtroom content.